Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Tara. If you're not new, thank you for coming back and watching. So in today's video, we're going to be starting with cleaning my laundry room a little bit. So my laundry room doesn't normally get that messy, but as you'll see in today's video, that is not true. But yeah, it's gotten a little messy over the last couple weeks. The side little shelves that we built have kind of became like a little catch-all for junk and stuff that we need to take out to the shed. And we've just been putting stuff there, and what's supposed to be there is just laundry baskets. So I'm going to work on cleaning that up a little bit today and just cleaning up in here. So let's just get started. I think I've mentioned this before, but if you ever see these at the Dollar Tree, pick them up. They smell so good. When you throw them in your wash, your whole house will smell like clean laundry. I don't know if a lot of people say they're not good for your laundry or not good for your skin, but I just happen to love these things. And they're only $1.25. I've only found them a couple times at Dollar Tree, so if you do see them, grab them because they do go fast. I've actually just ordered some more clear little storage containers to hold my laundry powder and some of this other stuff that's in here. So as soon as that gets here, I'll update y'all on that. It's actually really cool. It mounts up on the wall and has like little cups to dispense it into. So we'll see how that works out when it gets here. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do, do what you like to, what you like to do, what you like to, what you like to, what you like to do. Doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. And this is what I was referring to earlier. Like I said, we've just started putting stuff over here that does not belong over here clearly, and it looks very bad. It looks horrible. Seems like every time we do a project or anything around here, we end up throwing the tools up here or the leftover supplies, when in reality we should just walk them out to the building. But we got to quit doing that, because when you come in from off the back porch, this is the first thing you see. So yeah, we're going to stop doing that and just put the laundry baskets up here. So now that's looking a lot better, and this is what we built the shelves for, to put our laundry baskets on. We would have another one up here, but I have some of these ceramic Christmas trees that I found at a yard sale. I don't want them to get broken, so for now they're going to have to stay up there until I can get some bubble wrap and another storage container to put them in. Try to express yourself in your own way, and we could have some fun. No problems coming in our way. I would like you just the way you are, and you would like me just the way I am, and I would like you just the way you are, the way you are. Oh, keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do. Okay, y'all, so we're getting ready to make Salem a happy little camper. We're going to be adding a prefab catio to our back porch for her. She's going to absolutely love this because she can't go outside because we are kind of close to a road. My friends over at AV Tubin sent this over, and Salem couldn't be more happier. She absolutely loves it. I know it looks like it's going to be hard to put together, but it was so simple, y'all. We had this thing together in under an hour, just the two of us working on it. Everything was pre-numbered. It was already pre-drilled. It went together so smoothly, so easy. The instruction manual was awesome. You guys are awesome. We really do appreciate it. Salem loves it. You'll see here in a few minutes. She's out there every day in this thing, y'all.
Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. Try to express yourself in your own way.
Look at Salem patiently waiting, wondering what are we doing.
No problems coming in our way. I will like you just the way you are.
She finally got to check it out, and she absolutely loves it. There's a little opening in the back, and we just put it right up to the window. So when we open the window, she can come out. Look at her. She's so happy. But yeah, y'all, go over to their website and check it out. I'm going to leave a link down below for you. They also have some other enclosures and chicken coops and stuff like that. So make sure you go over and check them out. Thank y'all again for sending this. Salem loves it.
We shouldn't care about anyone who brings us down. Doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like to, what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like to, what you like to do. Ain't no one stopping you. Try to express yourself in your own way, and we could have some fun. No problems coming in our way. I would like you just the way you are, and you would like me just the way I am. And I would like you just the way you are, the way you are. Oh. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like to, what you like to do, what you like to, what you like to, what you like to do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. We shouldn't care about anyone who brings us down. Doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like to, what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like to, what you like to do. Just keep on doing what you do.
I'm going to go around with this Mr. Clean and wipe all these cabinets off. They've got a little bit dirty and greasy, so we're just going to clean them up real quick.